Barun, hi, this is Ali from movietalkies.com. Barun here. My question to Barun and Alia. The movie released in the corner. Which kind of reaction getting from your dad and Ali also your dad?
My parents, my father, my mom, I think my brother, the full family is really, really proud of me because I've got this movie on my own, and they're really, really happy. They always tell me that you're in the best hands of this country. You should be very, very grateful to Karan, to Dharma Productions, and to God that you got this in your first film. And I mean, my dad is not reacting like a filmmaker, to be very honest. He's just reacting like a father, like any father would be when his son gets his first job or he gets his first salary home. He doesn't need my money or he doesn't need my support, obviously not. But I can just see that he's proud of me, and I think this is the first time in my life that I've been able to make him proud by being associated with people in Dharma.
Alia?
My sister cries every time she sees me on TV or anything, so she's most excited. My father, the thing is, he didn't know anything about the film. He didn't know what the story was. He didn't know what my character was because he wanted to watch the film like the audience would. So now, like, I wake up in the morning and he's singing Disco Divane, and he's, just having lots of fun with the whole procedure, really. Like, he can't believe that. He said, I didn't know you were a dancer. I didn't know you could dance. When did you do all this? When did you learn all this? So I think he's very shocked with this whole thing that's happening. But I get very overwhelmed looking at his reaction.
This is first film makes a cover shoot for you. How do you explain like three of them, the first cover shoot on Magic?
Sorry?
Cover the front.
Oh, the cover. Only Jitesh knows why I'm laughing. The cover, I realized I should not go to cover shoots. Or any shoots that I don't have immediate control of. Because I think I am so obsessed by presenting them in a certain way that if I get into those creatives, then I think I'll just delay the process. So I was more stressed on this Filmfare cover shoot than Jitesh. The entire team had laid back, and I was walking around like a mad moron, getting hysterical. Is it looking good? Is it not? And this has happened to me even on the My Name Is Khan cover shoot when Shah Rukh and Kajol were doing the cover. So I realized that I think Filmfare is a very important cover because I think it's seen by many, many people. And getting there because they're being their first time cover, they have to look good, which I'm so glad and happy to report that they are. I was really stressed out at this cover. More than I think the shoot of this film, this cover shoot was traumatic for me. And by the end of it, I was just ready to collapse. And Jitesh was holding my hand like it was the release of my film. Actually, all I was doing was actually getting stressed out. That's why I realized that eventually, I have no control eventually of how they're going to look and what they're going to wear later. So I have to back off. It's like really that's the way the parental instinct kicks in. You want your child to look really good all through.
Hi, Chirag this side from India. Karan, you are that one director producer who is more popular than Bollywood actors or actresses today. So, yeah, this question is for you that while launching these three newcomers, is there any pressure or some sort of pressure in your mind when coming with these newcomers and coming up with this kind of film, while all three of them are totally newcomer and you are having that kind of image?
I was not so pressurized till your question. So thank you. I'm always pressurized, irrespective whether they are stars or not. Stress levels of a filmmaker never diminish. But in this particular case, as I have said time and again, I'm not as stressed for myself as much as I am for them. I hope and pray that I have been able to live up to them and their expectations, their family's expectations, their friends' expectations. Because I know everyone is I'm shouldering this responsibility pretty much alone. And I've made a fun, entertaining film that is not pretending to be otherwise. For anyone who's looking for cinematic mountains of genius, this is not the film. If you're looking for fabulous fun, then this is the film. And it's unpretentious and completely unapologetic. So I am not stressed about an audience reaction right now because I know we had so much fun making this film that I feel that fun will translate efficiently. But I hope that the audience gives them the love that I believe each one of them rightfully deserve. So yes, there's anxiety, there's stress, there is definitely the jitters as you know it. But more than any of this, there is a palpable excitement that penetrates through the hearts of each and every one of us.
When it comes to the audience, so how you would like to see it as like Karan Johar film which people see always, or Siddharth, Varun and Alia's film?
It is definitely when you call it a Karan Johar film, normally and I invariably means that one has spent lots of money and gone abroad. I think that's what pretty much the perception is. So here the money spent is definitely there on celluloid for you to see. But this film is not anything but the achievement of 3 fresh newcomers who have contributed to this film. So if this film is good, let me tell you, it's because they brought in all the freshness that this film deserves. And it will work only because it's riding on their freshness. And that I have no control of. That just comes organically from them.